Hi guys and welcome back to How to Maximize. For today's video, I will show you how to change order of products in Shopify. To start this tutorial, open myshopify.com over at your internet browser when you open your PC, laptop, or Mac. Once you're here over at myshopify.com, you're now going to click on Products on the left side of your screen. In here, go to Collections. Now you will see all your collections of your products over at your My Shopify account. Over at Products, you can sort things either manually or alphabetically. In here, once you click on plus add products, you can add your products over here. Also, you can choose any products of the top of your list over here. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.